NIWAGITE igoti ria macira ma wikinaĩ ria KAHAWA kuria uringi mwena wa thitango wikoririo kiorotwo hari gwikururia gwa cira uria thitangĩirwo mũmbunge wa MANYATTA Gitonga Mukunji, mumemereki ikua wa Boshi na mundu ũngĩ ũmwe. Gĩikaro kĩa ũmũthĩ gĩacũngĩrĩria maabitha wabici ya mũtongoria wa thitango cia mũingĩ kuorotereria mahĩtia mothe maabitha rũhonge rwa DCI, makiuga rũhonge rwa DCI nĩ rwagĩte kuneana fairo cia WUIRA o wothe wa gũthitanga EERI aya.
Through a letter, immediately we get out of court, we will call for the file for purposes of getting information that I'm aware, that have not seen that file even today.
Mawakiri amwe na wa EERI magweta gwikururia gwa cira uyu taugaga nyuri wa kihoto kiao riu honge cia thirikari ikirehe gwikururia hari cira uyu ikimenyaga.
What we can say is that the ODPP is in the dark as we are. That is what the ODPP have told the court. So this whole thing, the ball is still with the DCI. They are the ones doing the investigations. They are the ones with the file. The file has not been forwarded to the ODPP, and so the ODPP at the moment do not know what these people have against our client.
The blame here is on both departments because they are supposed to work together. But the courts are seen through that narrative, and that's why it has come up firmly. I said, whether you cooperate or don't cooperate, we are giving you the last adjournment.
Ona thengia mwena wa thitango kwenda maheo ihinda makiria ria uthuthuria, jaji wa igoti riri Richard Koech ni amarutĩire watho wa gũkana rehe wĩira wothe tarĩki 5 mweri ũkĩte, agĩtarĩria atĩ magagwĩka ũguo ndakaheane ihinda makiria ria uthuthuria ũndũ ũrĩa ũngĩcũngĩrĩria cira ũyũ gũkana teanĩrio.
Father mentioned the matter on 5th September 2025. This is marked as the last mention when the prosecution is expected to update the court on the progress of investigations and the issue of release of items confiscated from the respondents.
The prosecution and the police have been given 14 days to conclude that exercise. Then we come back here. They either tell us that the investigations have been concluded, and if not, then the file will be closed and that matter will come to an end.
We are pretty sure by 5th of September nothing will have changed. We will have no evidence to press any charges on our client.
Mwena-inĩ wake Mukunji augĩte itanya inene ria thirikari nĩ kũmwagagia ĩkĩmenyaga gũtarĩ wĩira marĩ naguo wa kũmwamba bao-inĩ, rĩu akiuga thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza ĩrahũthĩra honge cia ũgitĩri kwagagia arĩa othe maramĩruta mahĩtia ũndũ ũrĩa nĩ mũgarũ na watho.
We will not allow our country to go back to use of criminal justice system against political opponents. And I want to condemn the fact that we are in the court that charges terrorists and drug barons. Stop using the criminal justice system to suppress the voice of the people.
Hadi Nyakabeme TV, Letorako ni Bataru wa Mwagi.